up, bandits? Danny Gunn checking in, and today we got a crazy product to unbox and show you. Well, it's already unboxed, but we're gonna show it to you. This thing is an Airsoft Grenade. Now, before I proceed, if you guys haven't added me to your Instagrams, do so now, dudes. I post a lot of crazy pictures on there of all these kind of things. I post a lot of behind the scenes stuff with Gun vs. Gun and Big Boy Toy stuff, so go check me out at Machine Gun Danny. But let's get into this. Why do I like this product compared to all the other Airsoft ones out there? Well, I haven't seen too many, and the ones that I've seen do focus in more on Nerf stuff. So there's a Nerf grenade out there, and that one I'm not a fan of. The main reason is because you have to throw that one towards your enemy. Now that is a problem because you can hit someone, you can injure someone, and Nerf is really a kid's thing, right? It's a kid's game, and if you want to throw stuff at them like a plastic thing, that's gonna be a problem. It could hurt them. So this is why I don't like any other product out there aside from this one. Why this one? The main thing is that you don't have to actually throw these at your enemies. You can set them down and they will work just fine that way. This is how it looks like when this thing deploys and explodes. So basically this thing shatters open and these plastic pieces out here pop open and basically send out projectiles all over the place, basically the BBs. So what happens is that you take these little flaps, you put them in, push them in, just like that, and then you close them up with this other flap right there. So you go in order, one by one, so you push this one in, and then this one down here. Same thing with the last one, open it up, push this flap in, and close it up. So as you do that now, you see that there's a little gap here now. This is where you take your BBs, and you dump them in. See what I'm talking about? This is what happens, and then you just basically push it all together like that, close it off, and there's a pin that you put in, and it's ready to go. So I like this thing because it actually takes quite a lot of BBs. I would say that I think I have about, how many is there in here? I think there's about 500 in here. I think that one of these will probably take easily 100. So we're talking about there's three obviously compartments here, so we're talking about 300 BBs. So imagine that, dudes, 300 BBs inside one of these grenades. When that thing goes off, woo, that's a lot of shrapnel and a lot of stuff flying around and taking out your enemies. So this thing is very cool. Now let me let this one of these go so you guys see how this works. See what I'm talking about? These things just pop open and they fly everywhere, dudes. So that is pretty cool, and like I said, it has a lot of storage space for BBs for sure. So this will come in handy in any of your Airsoft wars. And what I like about it, and I want to show it to you guys right now, is this one is not deployed, so let's put this one here. So basically what you do is, you got yourself a pin here, just like any standard grenade, pull it. Now when you pull it, nothing happens as long as you're holding this safety device here. This is the safety device, I call it. So what you do is you let go of it, and it's timed. It's a timed release. So now you can set it up somewhere, you know, go hide, and basically wait for your enemies to come around. There's about, I believe about, what are we talking here, 20 seconds delay, 25 seconds? Okay, there it is. Let's just quickly put this together. I want to show you guys how this works, just like that. Each of these goes like that. Each of these flaps. You put this one inside, go like that, close it up. If you want to put the pin in, you could. That's how you kind of reload it. But let's pull the pin again, push this thing, put this down, and see if it'll detonate quicker than last time. Last time I had to kind of fool around with it and get it going. I don't know if this will be a little bit faster, but I just want to get the timing right. I think it's about 30 seconds that you have. So you set this thing and you run away and you hide, and then your enemies come around and then they get sprayed with BBs. So let this thing surprise us. Let it sit there. What I wanted to let you know, guys, is that these things actually have enough space. If you're thinking to use these in your Nerf wars or any kind of X-Shot wars, blaster wars, these will definitely work because they have quite a bit of space. I'm not sure if you can see it from the GoPro, but they have quite a bit of space in there for your Nerf rival rounds for sure. and you can definitely put in some Nerf darts in there as well. Probably 2 or 3 will fit, or X-Shot darts, whichever ones you want. So these will come in handy in any kind of your blaster wars for sure. So you don't have to necessarily use this for your airsoft wars. You can use it for Nerf or X-Shot wars as well. Now, if you want to buy these, you can get these online at tacticalxmen.com. I'm going to post a link to them in the description below. That's where I got them. And you can only get these there. These are exclusive items. These are pretty cool. I would suggest going and getting a few because they will come in handy. Oh, jeez. Why you not work? Here you go. It's going to work now. I see it. At some point, it's going to go off. Oh, there it is. So like I said, these are fresh out the box. They're very, they're not as loose as they should be yet because the springs inside them are pretty stiff still. So you got to kind of play with them a few times before you actually take them out into your Nerf wars or any kind of airsoft wars because, like I said, they got to be worked in. So see, this one's working a lot better now after like 3 tries because this is a brand new product. Look, it's going to go off now again, dudes. Check it out. You see that? It's working a lot better now. So you got to use it. You got to get the springs moving and going. And after that, you got about, what, 10 seconds? That was about 10 seconds that we had. Let's try one more time. See how much time we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So about, I did that a little bit fast. So about 10 to 20 seconds. That's how much time you have to set these down, go hide, and for your enemies to come around and get sprayed with a whole bunch of airsoft BBs. Now, if you don't think it actually fits rival rounds, let me grab a few. 1 second. I got a few on the floor here. I can just quickly grab and show you that once you put the flap in, first one, okay, so you hold that, you put your rival rounds in there. You guys see that? Close it up. Boom. Now you can go do the same. So I put 3 in there. You can probably put 2 more for sure. So you can put 5 each. There's 3 compartments here. So we're talking 15 rival rounds. And check it out. Sprays it all over the place. Awesome. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this thing. I'm going to do a few demos now of it at the end. See how these things function. Go to tacticalxmen.com to purchase these. These are pretty cool. Go grab some. They're awesome. I'm going to post a link to them on my Twitter and on my Instagram as well. You guys can go purchase it off that. The link is also in the description below in this video. Add me to your Instagrams, at Machine Gun Danny. That's my handle. Add me right now, dudes. Go check out some pictures. Alright, so for this demo, we're going to load up airsoft BBs inside this thing and test it out. I think we get the best bang for our buck that way because we can load up a whole bunch of BBs into this and then see how it sprays, guys. I'm really interested just to see how this is gonna work. I'm gonna do it in my hallway. There, I'm gonna have BBs all over the place, so that's gonna be fun to clean up as usual. But doesn't matter. I just want to show you how this works. So let's load it up. As you can tell, it's quite easy to load up. Woo! All right, dude. So I was able to load up the entire 500 airsoft BBs into this thing, and let me tell you, there is space for more. I think that I'm pretty sure you can load up 1,000 BBs into this thing. Dudes, as you just saw, this thing is incredible. It sprays so many BBs all over the place. My entire hallway is filled with them. Filled! This thing is epic. Thumbs up from me. Go get some if you can, because these are epic. Go to Tactical X-Men right now and check it out. Link is in the description below. This thing is awesome. I'm gonna have to go pick up a few more. 2 is not enough. Later, guys.